Embarking on a journey toward healthier eating can be both exciting and overwhelming. To assist you in this endeavor, we have compiled 15 clean and delicious tips that can guide you toward incorporating healthier habits into your lifestyle. Tip 1. Allow yourself to evolve. When beginning this journey, grant yourself the grace to adapt gradually. Don't feel pressured to transform overnight or give up all your favorite foods immediately. Embrace this as a learning process, allowing space to explore new habits without the burden of perfection. Tip 2. Tailor your approach. Healthy eating doesn't have a one-size-fits-all formula. Whether you're vegan, vegetarian, a meat eater, an athlete, or a professional, your healthy diet may look vastly different based on your lifestyle. The common thread, however, is the emphasis on real, unprocessed foods. Tip 3. Cook more often. Taking charge of your ingredients by preparing your meals can significantly enhance your eating habits. You don't have to cook every single meal, but cultivating the habit of cooking more often than not will positively impact your choices. Tip 4. Prioritize quality over quantity. Focusing solely on calorie counting often leads to feelings of restriction. Shifting your focus to food quality allows for a more enjoyable and creative approach to eating, making it both pleasurable and nourishing. Tip 5. Seasonal eating. Foods that grow together tend to complement each other in taste. Embracing seasonal produce not only simplifies your meal planning but also enhances the flavors and nutritional value of your dishes. Tip 6. Keep essential recipes handy. Having a set of go-to recipes for breakfast, lunch, and dinner can ease the transition into healthier eating. Gradually expand your repertoire as you experiment with new dishes. Tip 7. Decode labels. Learning to read food labels empowers you to understand what goes into your body. Aim for simpler ingredient lists with recognizable and pronounceable components. Tip 8. Limit highly processed foods. Avoid foods heavily processed in factories, as they often contain excessive amounts of fats, sugars, and salts, dulling our appreciation for natural flavors. Gradually reduce consumption to reacquaint your palate with real, subtle flavors. Tip 9. Say no to artificial additives. Steer clear of artificial flavors, sweeteners, and non-fat foods. These substances can create a cycle of craving and overconsumption while confusing the body's natural responses to real food. Tip 10. Embrace meal prepping. Experiment with preparing meals ahead of time to save effort and time during busy periods. Even simple preparations, like making soups or overnight oats, can make a significant difference. Tip 11. Stock up on healthy staples. Maintain a stock of nutritious pantry and freezer items for quick, healthy meal assembly. Having staples like canned fish, frozen fruits, and vegetables ensures you always have a nutritious fallback plan. Tip 12. Listen to your body's cues. Reconnect with your body's natural hunger signals rather than relying on external cues like a clock or predetermined meal plans. Learning to distinguish between genuine hunger and other impulses takes practice but fosters a healthier relationship with food. Tip 13. Connect with your motivation. Understand why you seek change and ensure it stems from self-love. Identifying your reasons and revisiting them regularly can anchor your journey toward adopting healthier habits. Tip 14. Consider the whole experience. Healthy eating isn't solely about what's on your plate. Your mindset, environment, and the company you keep while eating can influence your overall nourishment. Tip 15. Be gentle with yourself. Above all, approach this journey with compassion. Avoid harsh self-judgment and embrace the learning process, allowing yourself the freedom to adapt to new habits without undue pressure. Transitioning to a healthier lifestyle is a personal and ongoing journey. Incorporate these tips at your own pace, focusing on progress rather than perfection. Remember, the goal is not just to eat better but to cultivate a balanced, sustainable relationship with food that nourishes both body and mind.